turns. So now we're going to take our walking, we're going to travel it to the middle of the beam, and then we're going to turn to face the other direction so that we can then travel backwards along the beam. We're going to start with a pivot turn. So using that nice walking that we've been doing already, we're going to walk to the middle. Very nice. Okay, so when you turn, you need to bring your arms down. Okay, stay on those tiptoes and then pivot on your feet, making sure that your feet remain straight at the end. Okay, then you bring your arms back up so that you can walk backwards. Very nice. Now that's one way of turning. The other way is that we can spin. So we'll show you that now. Okay, so you start walking along the beam as you were before. Okay, when you get to the centre, you bring your feet down. Your arms come across and you spin them up to help you turn. Okay, now you'll notice here that she went right up to, so if you put your back foot down, bring your knee up, she went right up onto her tiptoe as she spun, okay? And that's really important. So if you could turn around again for me and do that nice spin, so you're looking to come up onto your tiptoe. Very nice, now you can walk backwards. Okay, let's show you those two types of turns again. So the first one is the pivot and the second one is the spin. So here is the spin. Well done.